Hey, Drone here. What's going on, guys? Rampage! Yeah! Rampage. Got a new RC truck in, guys. Love the color. Lime green and black. Dude, lime green's my color. Splash black is cool with it. What this came with, it came with extra clips. There's extra clips in here. It came with a charger. And that's all that's in that bag. Your controller, obviously. Came with this bag that gives you little LED lights to plug in. I'll show you where you're gonna plug those in. Gave you stickers to throw on to make a cool look like that. Bam, stickers all over. It does have a plastic wrap on this that it says take off, rip off, body protection film. And as you can see, I have my clips over there, but where you're gonna put those in is where those fog lights are, right there. There's actually little itty bitty holes behind them, and you're gonna plug it in to right there. If you can see right there, there's an open port. That's where you're gonna plug it in. So we're gonna get this all LED'd up and stickered up and charged battery and go for it, guys. All stickered up, ready to go. I got my grill, got my headlights, even got some fog lights. Got a skull in the center, Rampage. On the side, we got a little ambush, off-road truck ambush. Got Rampage in the back. Got some custom Pro Mass Power tail lights, Speed GTX, and on this side, Rampage. Didn't go crazy with the stickers. Still got a bunch of stickers left, but it looks good. Let's get this outside. Really good look at the profile here. You can see those lights are bright. They weren't too hard to put in. You did have to pull off that brush guard though to get them in. You can see the headlight stickers, and bam, above those we have little fake fog lights, but let's get gonna do a run out. Give you a little look at the speed. You think got some speed to it. Burnout too. Granted, the ground's a little bit wet. Some water here. See if we can run over some more boulders here. So it doesn't like it, and I'm really not steering either. I'm just showing you. Run it through some gravel here. The leaf challenge here. Challenge. Bam, right over, no problem. So we're gonna see if this can crawl over this. Bam, no problem. Bam, back over it. Going over that grass, no problems. Bam, up in your face. No problems going over this. What do I think, guys? You could see the LEDs are bright. You could see the mist that's coming down. It's not really raining. It's trying to. Really bright LEDs. They weren't that hard to install. You did have to take the guard off and put them in and plug them in. Really capable. And as you can see, I've been out with it for a while. It was a lot brighter when we started. Really capable, four-wheel drive. The boulders, I was surprised it went over the boulders at all. And water, it's not, I don't think it's rated waterproof. But I showed you, you can go through water. Do I suggest you going through water? No, because none of the connections are waterproof to my visual confirmation. So if you splash through water, you're not going to have anything to worry about. But if you constantly go through water, you might have something to worry about. Bam, custom stickers in the back. That's the stickers that came with it. Obviously, it came with taillights. I decided to use those. And we have Rampage. Rampage. Not Rampage. Bam, Rampage. So this was fun. This was definitely fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the different format of video where it wasn't just hat cam and it was actually testing it and throwing it through some loops. Look at those LEDs. They're super bright, man. All right, guys, later.